Hey guys, today we're gonna comparing Glaco roll-on and Rain X. I have removed any leftover from Glaco roll-on this windshield, so let's apply them both. Glaco on left side and Rain X on right side. And this is when idle. What I noticed is Glaco seems to repel more water than Rain X. Let's try to speed up. 40, 50, 60. 50, 60, 70. No matter how much I try it, Glaco always made the first move and repel more water. Okay, now let's see which is stronger to withstand the wiper. Both are equal in terms of durability. So Glaco comes with a price of $20 with 75 milliliters, but you can get 3 bottles of Rain X for the same price with each contain about 200 milliliters. So while Glaco is winning at repelling more water, it's still way pricier than Rain X. But price is relative, so that's depend on each individual. I hope that helps. You can check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.